Nestled at the southernmost tip of the Philippines lies Tawi-Tawi, an archipelago known for its breathtaking beauty and rich natural resources. Beneath its pristine landscapes, this province holds some of the richest nickel deposits in the country, a treasure trove fueling global demand for one of the most critical metals of our time. Nickel is a cornerstone of modern technology. It powers the batteries in electric vehicles, enables sleek designs in electronics, and strengthens durable materials like stainless steel. As the world shifts toward green technologies and sustainable solutions, the demand for nickel has skyrocketed. But here's the paradox. Despite being blessed with abundant reserves, the Philippines, including Tawi-Tawi, exports most of its nickel as raw ore. Instead of processing it locally into higher-value products, these precious resources are shipped abroad, leaving behind untapped potential for economic growth. Experts estimate that exporting raw nickel generates significantly less revenue compared to refining it domestically. By missing out on value-added processing, the Philippines forfeits billions in potential earnings every year, and more importantly, countless opportunities to create jobs and build industries right here at home. Some economists said, if we processed nickel locally, we could establish refineries, smelters, and manufacturing plants. This would not only generate employment, but also stimulate related sectors such as logistics, construction, and services. Some mining industry analysts also said, the current practice of exporting raw materials perpetuates a colonial mindset where we extract resources cheaply and let other countries benefit from them. We need to break free from this cycle by investing in our own capabilities. Meanwhile, nations like China, Japan, and South Korea import our raw nickel to refine it into high-grade products. These refined materials often return to us as expensive imports for use in high-tech manufacturing, a double loss for the Philippine economy. Local miner said, we work hard extracting nickel, but what do we get in return? Barely enough to survive. If there were refineries here, maybe my children wouldn't have to leave the island to find better opportunities. Young students said, I want to study engineering so I can help develop technologies for our own nickel industry someday. But without support, how far can dreams like mine go? Tawi-Tawi's nickel wealth represents both a challenge and an opportunity. With strategic investments in infrastructure, policy reforms, and technological innovation, the Philippines can transform its role in the global supply chain from mere supplier of raw materials to a hub for advanced manufacturing. The question remains, will we seize this chance to unlock prosperity for generations to come? For Tawi-Tawi, for the Philippines, and for a brighter future, the choice is ours.